Here at Richardson's, we're really looking forward to welcoming you aboard for your holiday. Before you arrive, we'd like to take you on a tour around the inside of your cruiser so you know what to expect when you arrive. The cruiser engine charges the batteries and heats the water on your cruiser, so we suggest that you run the cruiser in the fast idle position for 45 minutes in the morning and afternoon or early evening, in addition to your normal cruising time, to ensure you have enough battery power and hot water for your comfort. On any days you remain stationary, we suggest you run the engine for 4 to 5 hours. Please remember to only run the engine between 8 AM and 8 PM. During your trial run, you will be shown how to use your heating on board. The showers on board are operated using mixer taps, but do be aware that the water is heated by the engine, so can be extremely hot. Please use caution. On some of our cruisers, you'll need to operate the shower drain. You will be shown how to do this on your trial run. Some of our cruisers are fitted with river flush toilets, which aren't as powerful as standard domestic toilets. Some are operated with manual hand pumps, others are electric. We suggest you check the guidance and operating instructions for your vessel before you depart the marina. We ask that if you're on board for more than 3 days, that you take the cruiser to any hire boat yard for a pump out. The team at the yard will do everything for you. The cooker on board is gas-fueled. Please make sure that when you're not using it, the main gas line is kept in the off position. Do not use the cooker while the boat is underway, and use the back burners to boil the kettle. The space in galleys on board our cruisers can be tight. All the burners on board are fitted with flame failure devices, so if the flame goes out for any reason, the gas will cut out automatically. But we do suggest you ventilate the area before you relight the burner should this happen. The fire extinguishers fitted are dry powder extinguishers with instructions clearly marked. We suggest you locate these and the fire blankets on board your cruiser before setting out from the marina. If you have concerns about any aspect of your cruiser at any time during your holiday, you can call us for advice and assistance on the number in your captain's manual. Make the most of your boating holiday with the Richardson's Boating Holidays app. From planning routes and checking journey times to discovering hidden gems and mooring spots, the Richardson's Boating Holidays app does it all. Download now and unlock everything you need for an unforgettable Broads National Park adventure.